Alright, so I kinda just decided to use my own voice. Why? Because I feel like this way we can finish this video faster. So the first thing you just wanna do is go to this video description, press the link and get a model. And if you did everything right, it's basically just going to show up right here inside of your inventory. Then I had so freaking many mirror variants, but this is the only one we want. So I'm just going to be ungrouping it real quick and place the screen GUI inside of the starter GUI. Alright, everything seems fine. By the way, you guys can definitely have only the surface, not the screen, inside of your starter GUI, and let's see if it works. Great, it actually does exactly what it's intended for it to do. Only render the parts inside of the render area. So if this happens to you, you guys might just want to resize the render area a little bit. So instead of this giant square, I'm just going to be making it nice and tiny. Come on. I'm also just going to be getting rid of the decal from this camera part, set this mirror camera to 1. Let me not make it cast any shadows so it doesn't break the illusion. Alright, what else can I do? Oh, I can definitely make the mirror part something like 0.7. Let me make it a glass material. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys how you can delete this function right here. So all you need to do is go ahead and delete these two variables with the main function, and what I'm going to do is delete it right here. Alright, this is actually going to make our system faster, as we no longer need to update the camera part, freaking position, and let's see if it works. Heh. Do you guys see it? It actually does. Alright, but what if you guys wanted to add multiple mirror parts? What would you guys do? Well, what I would recommend is just duplicating the pre-existing one. Let me just change it a little quick. I have no idea what else can I change about it. Oh, I'm going to make the render area completely transparent. The mirror part, let me make the overall model just huge. Yeah, why not? Why freaking not? Why shouldn't I? Alright, now the most important step is to actually rename it to something like mirror part 2, and I'm going to be duplicating the surface GUI. And here's the most important step: make sure the new surface GUI has its adorned new mirror part 2, and I'm just going to be referencing the new mirror part, which is this one right here, mirror part 2. Now let's see if it works. So the first one works pretty good, yeah. And it looks like the big one actually works. So yeah, this is how you set up your whole mirror system. See you guys next time.